Hey everyone, welcome to AI Overdrive, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I created a high-quality cinematic video called Humanity on Mars using powerful AI tools and my creative workflow. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also show you how you can use the same tools to bring your ideas to life, and yes, I've added links below to help you get started. This is the video I created all with just a prompt, AI images, and some editing magic.
In the year 2025, humanity took its first step beyond Earth, onto a world of dust, silence, and endless possibility. They built, they dreamed, they survived. But Mars was never empty. Solar storms, ancient cavern, and secrets buried in crimson stone. A child born under alien skies. Green life emerging where none should exist. And a people forging unity on a world divided by dust and ambition. But the price of progress is peril. When the core fails, when diplomacy fractures, only those who believe in the mission can carry it forward. This is more than survival. It's the rebirth of humanity. This is Mars. Humanity on Mars. A new world begins.
I started right here with ChatGPT. My goal? To create a sci-fi short film called Humanity on Mars using just 15 powerful image prompts and cinematic camera actions. This prompt gave me a full cinematic breakdown, image by image, scene by scene, complete with Hollywood-style movements like crane shots, with pans, dolly-ins, and more. Next, I copied each image prompt and pasted it into Artistly.ai. Artistly gives you ultra-realistic and stylistically consistent artwork in minutes. I made sure all 15 images have a consistent cinematic tone: red Martian skies, high-tech suits, terraforming towers, everything you'd expect in a Hollywood Mars film. Now the magic, turning static images into Hollywood-style video. For that, I used VideoExpress.ai and its Artistly API integration. VideoExpress added perfect camera movements for each image, just like in the original script. It feels like a director holding the camera in space. Watch the difference. Before, it was a still. Now, it's a cinematic shot. Finally, I pulled everything into Filmora for editing. This is where the full trailer came together. Filmora made it super simple. I just added transitions, synced the music, dropped in my voiceover, and exported the final trailer in 4K. So there you have it, a complete AI to Hollywood pipeline for creating humanity on Mars. All I used was ChatGPT, Artistly.ai, VideoExpress.ai, and Filmora. If you want to create your own sci-fi video or short film, I've linked all the tools below with my affiliate codes, so you can start today and support my channel.